Science versus religion is a very broad topic. What are your thoughts?
Well, the scientific side of creation and the biblical side both have many different aspects on how the world started. Big Bang Theory states that the universe appeared from nowhere as an extremely dense and hot state about 13.7 million years ago. This is based on observations indicating the expansion of space, as indicated by the Hubble redshift of distant galaxies, taken together with cosmology, whereas the biblical side of creation states that God created the world in 7 days, starting from creating light to creating on the 6th day the humans.
According to the standard theory, our universe sprang into existence as singularity around 13.7 billion years ago. What is a singularity and where does it come from?
Well, as you can see from this photo, to be honest, we don't know for sure. Singularities are zones which defy our current understanding of physics. They are thought to exist at the core of black holes. Black holes are areas of intense gravitational pressure. The pressure is thought to be so intense that finite matter is actually squished into infinite density. These zones of infinite density are called singularities. Our universe is thought to have begun as infinitely small, infinitely hot, infinitely dense something, a singularity.
Where did it come from?
We don't know.
Why did it appear?
We don't know.
Well, what are the major evidences which support the Big Bang Theory?
First of all, we are reasonably certain that the universe had a beginning. Second, galaxies appear to be moving away from us at speeds proportionate to their distance. This is called Hubble's law, named after Edwin Hubble, who discovered the phenomenon in 1929. This observation supports the expansion of the universe and suggests that the universe was once compacted. Third, if the universe was initially very, very hot, as the Big Bang suggests, we should be able to find some remnant of this heat. In 1965, radio astronomers Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson discovered a 2.725 degree Kelvin microwave background radiation, CMB, which pervades the observable universe. This is thought to be the remnant which scientists were looking for. Penzias and Wilson shared in the 1978 Nobel Prize for Physics for their discovery.
Well, now that's cleared things up. How about the biblical side of things, of the issue? What has this got to tell us about how the world was created?
Well, first, take a look at this photo. As said in Genesis, the world was created in 7 days, starting with light going through each day, creating something new that we can see today. To me, there are 3 ways to look at Genesis: young earth creationism, day-age theory, and the literary reading. The young earth creationism discusses that Genesis is read in a hyper-literal way. God's words should be taken as his words, and if not taken literally, it's not true. The interaction with science is that there is a conflict with the evolutionary theory. The day-age theory, to do with Genesis, understands the order and sequence of creation, but suggests that day means a length of time. The interaction with science is the conflict with the macroevolution. The literary reading interprets Genesis as something written by pre-scientists for pre-scientists.
Well, thanks, David, for your view on the Big Bang Theory, biblical reasoning of creation. Is there anything else you'd like to say before we finish up?
Ah yes, although it may seem that these 2 issues neglect each other, it can be processed in a way where they can both relate. But to me, not being biased or anything, being a scientist and all, is that the science side really makes a lot more sense to me. And as you read more about the more detailed the Big Bang Theory gets.
Well, thanks for that. That's great.
Yeah, no.